Hey everyone, I'm Northern Explorer. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be greasing the front axle U-joints on my 2017 Ford F250. According to the owner's manual, this should be done every 15,000 miles or every 12 months, whatever comes first. And since I've never done this before, I am way overdue. I've loaded my grease gun with Motorcraft Premium Long Life Grease, which is the correct grease for this application. All I need to do now is locate the grease fitting. There should be one on the axle U-joint. If you don't see it right away, this can be spun as long as you don't have it in four-wheel drive. And as long as your hubs aren't locked. So there's the fitting right there. And the first thing I'm going to need to do is clean that off. That's pretty good. And then just attach the grease gun and pump it in. Oh, it's starting to come out. So I'm gonna go a little extra just to push out some of the old stuff. That's perfect. There. And then all I need to do is clean up the mess that I've made. Everything that's squeezed out. So that'll spin around nice and easy. And that's one side. The process for greasing the passenger side is exactly the same. Rotate the half shaft until the grease fitting is accessible. Wipe off the fitting. Attach grease gun coupler. Pump grease until a small amount of excess grease squeezes out of the U-joint. Wipe off excess grease and you're all done. If you have a Ford F450 or F550, there will be 7 additional lubrication points. On my 2017 F250, these additional lubrication points are sealed. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.